it's Tatiana. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I fill and conceal my eyebrows. I'll be using a pencil and my concealer to get this done, and you can get yours to look just like this. So stay tuned and I'll be jumping right in. Okay guys, so this is what my brows look like before I've done anything to them. And I'll be taking my Kiss brow pencil in the shade Deep Dark Brown and just taking the spoolie at the end of it and brushing my brows in place. And as you'll notice throughout the video, I like to start at the middle portion of my brow and work towards the tail end. So that's just what I'm doing here. I like to begin filling in my brow at the middle portion and then work towards the end. And as you can see, I do not like to fill all the way towards the front. And I'm going to fill in the middle and then work my way towards the top and connect with the bottom portion of the brow. And so I'll just be filling it in only where needed with hair-like strokes. And you'll see I do that to the other brow as well. And then once I get to the front, I like to do small little hair-like strokes, like little flicks, literally. Not too heavy at all, because that's not what the brow is about. We need it to look like what? Hair. And now I'm going to move on to concealer. So I'm using my NYX concealer today in the shade Tan. And I am going to again be starting from the middle portion of my brow and working my way towards the tail end. This is what I like to do. You could do it your way, change it up, girl, whatever works for you. And then I'm just using a concealer brush. You can use whatever you have. This one in particular is by Jessup, and their brushes are really good and they're great prices. And it came in a set. So I do the front. It's a continuous pattern. I do the front last, and then I'm just going to take my Real Techniques, one of their blending brushes, and just blending out my concealer. But you can use whatever you have. You can use a sponge as well. Okay, and obviously I need to set my concealer in place. So we're using our Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and you'll see I give you options. So I'll be setting my one eyelid with the sponge and one eyelid with a brush, just so you are very aware that you can switch up anything that I do here. And I wanted to give you guys a little added bonus, so I threw in a how-to with how I do one of my lashes, just how I apply one of my false lashes. And as you can see, I like to hold the mirror below and place the lash on top. And then I also just threw this in so you could see you could use different kinds of tweezers to help you with applying false eyelashes. And I picked mine up at Sephora. So this is how it turned out, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell so that we can be friends and you can know when I upload, okay? See you in my next one.